Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation Maths for 6th class students. Chapter 5, Ratio and Proportion. Exercise, 40th problem. At a given point of time, the heights of trees are in proportion to the lengths of shadows of the trees. A tree of height 25.6 meters casts a shadow of 32 meters. If the shadow of another tree at that point of time is 48 meters, then find the height of that tree. At a given point of time, అంటే ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైంలో the heights of trees are in proportion to the lengths of shadows. Heights of trees వాటి lengths of the ట్రీస్కి ప్రపోర్షనల్గా ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. A tree of height 25.6 meters casts a shadow of 32 meters. If the shadow of another tree at that point of time is 48 meters, then find the height of the tree. So, second tree of the height of the second tree. Height of the tree x అనుకుందాం. Say x. The length of its shadow is 48 meters. Length of its shadow is equal to 48 meters. Therefore, ratio of the heights of the trees are 25.6 meters is to x. Height of the second tree is as the ratio of the lengths of the shadows. The shadow of the first tree is 32 meters and the shadow of the second tree is 48 meters. So this is the ratio of their shadows and this is the ratio of their lengths or heights. Ratio of the heights is in proportion to the ratio of shadows. Therefore 25.6 is to x is as 32 is to 48. Both are in meters. 32 meters, 48 meters. The ratio is 32 is to. So 25.6 x, 32 and 48 are in proportion. So if four numbers are in proportion, the product of extremes చివర్లలో ఉండే వాటి product is equal to the product of means. Therefore, first we will take the product of means, that is x into 32 or 32 into x is equal to 48 into 25.6. Therefore, x is equal to 48 into 25.6 by 32. So 8 4s 32, 8 6 48. 4 6 24.44 so 16. Therefore 6 into 6.4, that is equal to 6 4s 24, 6 6 36 plus 2 38 and 38.4 meters. So next problem. In a construction of a building, the volume of the walls is in proportion to the cost of construction. The volume of a wall is in proportion to the cost of construction. If a wall of volume 24 meter cube costs 18,600 rupees, find the cost of construction of a wall of volume 36 meter cube. So a construction though, the cost of construction, the volume of walls is in proportion to the cost of construction. So volume of wall is proportional to cost of construction. Therefore, ratio of the volume of wall is equal to ratio of the cost of construction. Therefore, ratio of the volume. If the wall of volume 24 meter cube, so volume of the first wall 24 meter cube and the volume of the second is 36 meter cube. Therefore, ratio of the volumes of the wall is as the ratio of the cost of construction, that is 18,600 is to X. Let X be the cost of construction of the second wall whose volume is 36 meter cube. Therefore, ratio of the volumes of the wall is as or in proportion with the ratio of the construction, is as ratio of the construction. Therefore, according to the law of proportion, the product of extremes 24 into X is equal to the product of means 18,600 into 36. Therefore, X is equal to 18,600 into 36 by 24. Here 12 2s 24, 12 3s 36, 2 1s 2 9s 18, 2 3 6 0 0. That is equal to 3 into 0 0, 3 3s 9, 3 9s 27. Therefore, 27,900 rupees. X, that is the cost of construction of the second wall. So, the cost of construction of the second wall is 27,900 rupees. Next, we will go to the concept application problems in the next video.